Welcome to Foxify's Build for Success series by FoxEcom. In today's video, we'll guide you through designing a stunning product page in Foxify, inspired by the elegant style of Beautiful by Drew Barrymore. With Foxify's user-friendly editor, you can create a page like this in just minutes, showcasing your products effortlessly. So, let's dive in and start creating. Before we begin designing the first section of our template, let's take a moment to preview the expected result from our inspiration page. We'll begin with the most crucial section, the product details, which provides customers with key information to make confident purchasing decisions. Now, let's add the product details element. Next, we'll adjust the background color, then fine-tune other details to match our inspiration page. Starting with the product title, Foxify makes font customization effortless. Simply navigate to the design settings, where you'll find all the tools needed to style the font to your liking. Below the product title, we'll add a single text element. Simply rearrange the existing stack, then enhance the content and design to create a polished, engaging look. Next, let's customize the Add to Cart button to better align with our store's branding, making it more visually appealing and seamlessly integrated into the design. Finally, let's move on to the last block in this section, the collapsible element. This feature is a great way to present additional details without overwhelming the page. By keeping information neatly tucked away, it helps create a clean, organized layout while enhancing the overall shopping experience for your customers. Simply repeat the process of adding content and making necessary design adjustments, just as we did with the previous blocks. With that, we've successfully completed the final section of the product details section. To finalize this section, we'll add some custom CSS to ensure the best possible look for the website. Please don't worry, all the CSS code and this template will be available in the description section. Now, let's take a final look at the product details section after completing all the steps. Let's jump to the second section. We'll design a sleek and informative icon with text section to highlight key product benefits. This section blends clean typography, minimalist icons, and structured content to create an engaging and visually appealing layout. For this section, let's take advantage of FoxTransfer in your editor. This powerful tool will save you time when working with sections that include both images and text, making the process faster and more efficient. Let's see how FoxTransfer works on your page. Once applied, we'll simply fine-tune the design to ensure everything aligns perfectly. With just a few adjustments, this section will be completed quickly and accurately. Before moving on to the next section, let's review the one we just completed to ensure everything is polished and aligned with our design goals.
A theme is like the backbone of your store, defining its overall look, feel, and functions. We proudly introduce you, Zest, the one and only theme for mobile commerce success. A solid base for your online store that is more flexible than flexibility. Create an immersive experience in product discovery. Showcase your products in style in a breeze. Boost your marketing efforts with Zest's built-in tools, empowering you to engage with your audience and drive sales. And especially, built with the success of mobile commerce in mind. It's time to create an incredible shopping experience with minimal setup time. And ensure a hassle-free experience for your customers. Ready to take your mobile commerce game to the next level? Join the revolution with Zest.
Now that we're back, let's jump right back into the tutorial and continue where we left off. According to the inspiration from the website, we'll create the product list section. Let's preview the expected results and get started. Start by changing the background color for this section. Then, use the stack feature in Fox Studio to organize two text blocks, one for the title and one for the product list. With the text block, you can easily customize the content and adjust the design as needed. Next, move on to the product list, selecting the collection that best fits this section. Then you can customize the number of columns and products displayed in the block. Adjust these settings to create a clean, visually appealing layout that enhances the user experience. Optimize the arrangement for a balanced and well-structured interface. To achieve the best and most optimized look, just like in the first section, we'll add some simple CSS code. If you need to use it, you can easily find it in the description of this video. Now that we've completed the previous sections, it's time to move on to the final section. Let's preview the expected results and begin the process. After changing the background color, it's time to take our layout to the next level with a clean and structured 4-column design. This will help organize content neatly, improve readability, and enhance the overall user experience. The stack tool is a powerful way to manage sections with multiple blocks arranged in a column or row. Inside the cell block, we will include an image, text for the block name, and a button linking to another landing page. The rest of the work for this section is now simple. Just add images, content for text and buttons. The fill bounding box setting is ideal for images. And then, customize the font and button styles to complete this first block. Once the first block is perfectly customized, we can save time by duplicating it and simply updating the content and images. This approach is much easier than rebuilding from scratch. And with that, we've completed the final part of today's video. Before we wrap up, let's review the entire website we built today. Be sure to test it on different devices and adjust the layout for various screen sizes to ensure a flawless experience. Alright everyone, that's all for today's video on building an engaging product page for home garden store using the Foxify Page Builder app. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials to help elevate your store. Thanks for watching.